new package in. Sometimes when you work from home, your kitchen table just becomes your office. So let's take a look. Got a return envelope. So this is actually one of the properties I own in Ohio. So I bought it with one LLC, and now I'm actually changing the name to just a different LLC. I bought it under a Maryland LLC that does not have anonymity, and now I'm rolling it into my Ohio LLC that does have anonymity. Just a better paper process. So let's take a look through this stuff. All right, so let's go through the documents. So we are doing a warranty deed, which is the kind we like. It's really just transferring from one LLC to another, just a paper process. So I got, what else we got here? More instructions, a couple of places to sign, all the description of the property, more stuff to sign, liability waiver, obviously I'm not going to sue myself, operating agreement for that company, and for that company, oh look, a nice fat bill. Nobody does anything for free. Why should we expect that? And then new deed. There's the forms. So that's how easy it is to truly transfer property. Hope it helps.